Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita. I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to talk to you guys about the Klarna credit card. So I see a lot of people talking about the Klarna credit card, and it's a few things I want to tell you all about the Klarna credit card, and I wanted to tell you guys how you can actually get approved for this card. Don't forget, I have my link for you all things Rickita, where I have so many different credit cards that you guys can pre-qualify for. And the Klarna credit card is one credit card that you guys can definitely pre-qualify for. So I added it to the list of all the credit cards, and now I believe we're over 40 different credit cards you guys can pre-qualify for without a hard inquiry. Now, don't forget, when you go to that list, you're not going to get a hard inquiry until you accept it. So if they say that they can approve you and you like, okay, let me go ahead and get it, if you accept it, that's when you're going to get that hard inquiry. If you do not accept it, you should not get that hard inquiry. But let's get right on into this card. Don't forget, look in the comments. I have the all things Rickita. Go ahead and see which credit card you guys can pre-qualify for. Now, when it comes down to the Klarna credit card, I know you guys probably seen Klarna in general. It's when you guys can be able to buy something such as something from like Walmart, and then they'll tell you, hey, you can get that item and we can break it up into 4 even payments, and you guys can pay that every 2 weeks with no interest. So I really like that you can be able to buy something, purchase something, and you can break it up into 4 payments and you can have 0 interest. I like that. The best part is that they do not report to the credit bureaus. To me, that's the best part. I know y'all probably hear the little man. He's having the time of his life, but my little daughter and stuff is here, so excuse him. But I like that they can break up those payments into 4 equal payments, and you have 0 interest. Now, with this new credit card, they're going to report this credit card to your credit report, to all three credit bureaus. So if they report it to the credit bureaus, if you guys have a balance on those credit cards, when they report it, you guys, that's going to get reported, and that's going to mess with your utilization. So that's something I do not like about the credit card. I'd rather just you guys stick with the regular installment accounts because they're not being reported at this moment. I heard that they're looking to report it in the future, but right now they're not reporting it, so you're in for a win. So usually with this credit card or any credit card, you can go ahead and apply right away, but they have a waiting list. And I actually downloaded the app because I wanted to show you all a few features in the app if you guys wanted to apply for it. But I'll definitely have my link on all things Rickita, so you guys can go ahead and sign up for Klarna in general. Now, right now, they do have their waiting list. So if you guys were to, let me see, because I want to make sure I have it right here for you all. So if you guys were to go to the app, and you guys can see where it says shop online, pay in store, and then they have the Klarna card, you can go ahead and click right there, and they say, are you curious about the card? Join the waiting list and we'll let you know as soon as you can apply. So you can go ahead and click join the waiting list. Now, to join the waiting list, you guys will have to make sure you're 18 or older. You have to make sure that you have a U.S. address, and that you have to have made at least one purchase through the Klarna app. So once you have found out that you have all 3 of these different things, then you guys can go ahead and join that waiting list. Now, I haven't purchased anything through the Klarna app, but if you guys have, you have to at least purchase one thing already, then you guys can apply for that credit card and join their waiting list. Now, outside of just that, you guys can do other things such as just shop with them regularly. Like, they have Amazon on here, they have Nike on here, they have Walmart, Target, Macy's. But you guys can go ahead and purchase things directly through this app. So say if we want to go to Walmart and purchase something, everything that you're going to do when you're purchasing anything through the app, you're going to actually do it directly in the app. So what you want to do is you want to go down, scroll down, and see exactly what you want to buy. So you can find anything that you want to buy. So say if I want to buy a pool, let's go ahead and look at the pools that they have. Let's probably get this pool right here. It's right at the top. Let's go ahead and get that pool. Now, they already have the Affirm, and that is through Walmart directly. You're going to use Klarna, so you're not worried about that. If you can't get the Klarna to work, there's so many other companies out there where you can apply for basically the buy now, pay later method. But we're going to go ahead and pay with Klarna. You go ahead and click that at the bottom. Can you see that at the bottom? Click right there, and they saying, are you ready to pay? And then you can put pay with Klarna, or you can actually figure out how it works, and then you can do the payment calculator too, and they'll tell you exactly how your payments is going to work. So this is about, how much is this? $389. So let's go ahead and calculate how much this will be. So it'll be about $390. Well, with tax, let's put 415 in. So you guys are going to, if you were to purchase this, you're going to have to pay $103.75 today, and then every 2 weeks you're going to pay another $103.75, and you're not going to have any interest and any impact to your credit at all. And don't forget, you guys can see what is going to be depending on how much you're going to spend. So you can look all the way up to $1,000 on how much something would be. Now, again, the best thing about this is that you guys are not paying any interest at all. If you guys were to get the credit card, they're going to charge you interest, and they're going to charge you the interest on your complete balance. And I just don't like that, knowing that a lot of times I tell you guys to pay off this balance in full anyway, your credit card balance in full anyway. I would rather you guys just go ahead and just get the app and just purchase things right through Klarna and just do the 4 payments if you can. So every 2 weeks, just make a payment. Now, let's go ahead and click the pay again, and you can actually save this item too, and then you can click on right here to see how exactly is it worked to you all, just in case you guys don't know how it's going to work. And Klarna has something too where you'll be able to, they'll give you like a virtual card, a one-time card that you can use, and you can use that to pay for the things that you want to pay for too. I really like that. So you can use that at this store, or you can use it at other stores. Now, while you're in the Klarna app, I know it says walmart.com, but we're technically in the Klarna app. So if you wanted to purchase, go ahead and continue on the purchase, but I want to show you all how you can purchase something outside of here. So I want to just search something that I don't think will be on the app, so I can show you all how you guys can still pay for it. So let me think of a company that you can, I'm pretty sure they probably got, no, let's not do Starbucks. It's such a small purchase. I'm trying to think, you all. They probably got Home Depot. They got Home Depot. How about Menards? They have Menards. Discovery Clothing. Discovery Clothing. I just took my daughter there. Let's go to the website. Yeah, so you can see at the bottom they saying you can pay with Klarna. So you can pay with them. They'll give you all a card that you can use. And even if that store is not through Klarna, you guys can go ahead and get that virtual card and actually pay for it. But this is just one of the websites. I couldn't think of anything else. But this is one of the website where you all can go ahead and purchase things. But this is basically how you would use that app, and I like that. Again, you're not going to have to pay interest on these different things. So if you buy something, just do the 4 payments, pay now a quarter of it, and then every 2 weeks you're going to pay an additional quarter of it. So in 2 weeks you'll pay another payment, then 2 weeks after that another payment, then your last payment will be 2 weeks after that, and then everything is paid off and you're not paying any interest. If you guys get that credit card, you're gonna get charged interest. On top of being charged interest, they're going to report to the credit bureaus, which is something I do not like. I do not want them to report to the credit bureaus because that's going to mess with your utilization. Now, don't forget, if you want to join the Klarna, I do have it down below, so you guys can go ahead and use my link, All Things Rickita. Go ahead and click right through there and sign up for Klarna. And if you guys have any questions, definitely let me know. And I have so many more things coming to that app, not the app, but the website, All Things Rickita, that I told you guys about. And one of the things that you probably seen is that I updated the shopping cart trick. So if you guys look onto the app, I actually updated the shopping cart trick for you all. So let me show you what I mean by that. So I updated the shopping cart trick, so you can just scroll over and look under the shopping cart trick. And now I show you somebody that got approved for $3,000. And then also I showed you a little bit about the shopping cart trick. You can purchase the guide. I have the guide there, the complete guide with all of the credit cards with the shopping cart trick for only $19. You guys can definitely do that. If you want us to try the shopping cart trick for you, you can click right here and we can try the shopping cart trick for you and just fill out that form. And then I have the step one, which is a factor trust and an opt-out pre-screen. And then I have the credit cards that you guys can apply for using the shopping cart trick. So I have a few of them listed, like Victoria's Secrets, Overstock, Good Sam Visa, Lane Bryant, Express, and the Children Place. And don't forget, these are just credit cards that you guys can pre-qualify for without a hard inquiry. So that's something I really like, that you guys can pre-qualify for those credit cards. And not even just pre-qualify, you can actually get the credit card without that hard inquiry. They're going to actually give it to you. And those are easier ones that you guys can get. But don't forget, like I told you, it's so many different credit cards here that you guys can apply for without the hard inquiry. So you can see I have a lot of the images updated. I'm going to go ahead and finish updating all the images on here. And then also, I'm going to separate it. Like, these are the cards that can pre-qualify you. If you guys look like on the, let me show you these credit cards first, and then I'll show you what I mean. So the FMBO, you can see right here, it says FMBO, pre-qualify, no credit check. NASA, pre-qualify, no credit check. The Petal, the Walgreens, Prosper, Milestone, Indigo. All those credit cards you can pre-qualify without a credit check. But if you see right here on the shopping cart trick, everything is more like organized, like step one. I'm going to have it like that, where it says pre-qualify with no credit check, and then it'll have all those credit cards right there. And then also high limit credit cards, and then I'll have those listed. Credit cards for utilization, I'll have those listed. So let me know if that will really help you all, where it's all organized and not just all of the links put together. Let me know if that's going to help you all. But I really put this together, I just want to make it easy for those people that's trying to apply for credit cards. So all you have to do is just go to my website and pre-qualify for a lot of these credit cards. And don't forget, I definitely have my membership. If you're not getting approved for a credit card, you may need to join the membership, and you all should be able to actually pre-qualify for more credit cards. If you get those accounts removed, we start working on it, figure out what you have to do to increase your credit score. But if this was helpful to you, definitely let me know. Hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video. And if you guys go ahead and join the waiting list, get approved for the Klarna credit card, definitely come back and let us know. Come back and let us know. But I really suggest that if you like Klarna, just stick to the installment payments, because you're not getting charged interest. And to me, that's like the best. You don't want to get charged any interest. Talk to you all soon. Bye bye.